Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deals with the heat, and it with the work, and also it deals with the temperature. These three quantities, heat and work and also the temperature, having some relations, having relation with first having the relations with the energy. These three quantities, and heat, work, temperature, having relations with the energy and relations with entropy and having the relations with radiation and also having the relations with matter. Energy is directly proportional to the heat, energy is directly proportional to the work, and energy is directly proportional to the temperature. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವರ್ಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, work is depends on the types of matter, work is depends on the types of radiation, temperature is also depends on the types of matter, temperature is also depends on the amount of energy, and temperature also depends on the radiations. So these three quantities having relations with energy, entropy, radiation and matter. All these quantities are governed by four laws of thermodynamics. So what are the four laws of thermodynamics? These four laws of thermodynamics convey about quantitative descriptions about energy, heat, temperature, radiation, matter. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ? using or measuring using measurable macroscopic physical quantities. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ measurable macroscopic physical quantities. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು what are the measurable macroscopic physical quantities? These are the properties of matter that can be directly measured using our sense. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿಕ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. It is the properties of system that can be observed and measured directly using our sense, such as example, first is a volume, length and density, temperature. These are the macroscopic physical quantities. These are all are explained by using microscopic constituents by using statistical mega x. Thank you.